Hello, and thank you for joining me on another episode of Welcome to My World. Today, guys, we have got the Indoor Fireworks Bonanza Selection Pack. And I'm going to be reviewing them just for you. So, I don't know what they are. I bought these on Amazon. I will link them in the description below if you want to buy them. If you think they're great or if you think they're rubbish by the end of this video, don't buy them. Just watch my video and I've wasted my money. 16 under. These are not for under 16s. These are explosives. Please be careful. Be very safe with fireworks. And can I just say also, please be very mindful of animals. I have dogs and they do not like fireworks. Me and Sam have probably not been to a firework display in about 8 years. So you get animals, that's what you have to do. You have to give up your time and, you know, make sure that they're safe and not stressed. So please be mindful of your animals when you are doing fireworks as we are. So let's see what we've got inside. I've rambled on now. Right. We have got Snakes Alive. 4 little tablets. Again, I don't know what they are. I've never used them. And you've got your sizzling strobes. So they're behind where it's reading on the back. Yeah. Sizzling strobes. Flash pellets. You have got indoor sparklers. Handheld sparklers. You have got flash. Am I pointing at the right bit? Yeah. Flash Harry. Flash pellets again. Disco Inferno. Flash pellets again. A lot of flash pellets. Ice fountains. Fountains. Speaks for itself, I guess. Fun snaps, throwdowns. Oh, are these the bang bang fun snaps? So yeah, I guess these are the ones that you throw on the floor. So we might have to do that in the garden so the dogs don't hear. Blazing Bengals look like 4 big matches. So I don't know what they are. And did we say Disco Inferno? Probably. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different things, and they say that there's 50 items. So yes, I'm going to review these today. I'm going to set them up downstairs. My adult supervision being Sam, he's going to supervise me doing these. And yeah, we've got lockdown in a couple of days coming, so please be safe. Do what you need to do to keep them numbers down, and just put your masks on your face, guys. It really annoys me. I know I said it the other day in my video if you watched it, but wearing a mask under your nose, you may as well not wear it. It's you prats that are wearing your masks under your nose, under your chin, that help the numbers to rise. So let's stay safe. Let's do what we need to do. Put your mask on. It will help. Yeah? It's not there just for a joke. None of us like wearing them, but we need to do what we need to do to keep everybody safe. Yeah? Rant over. Let's go and set these up, and I'll see you downstairs. Right, I'm cutting these up, and then they'll be easier to get to. Right, we've got our little fireworks. I'm going to quickly set up a tray. Let's go. Right, I've got my tray set up on plant pot by the back door, and we're going to do Snakes Alive first. It's going to be spectacular now, guys. Are we ready? Right, I've got 4 of these, so I've put 2 in here, and then if we need the lights off, we will put the lights off for the next 2. And I've got me flame torch. Right, here goes nothing. Oh no, these are them ones that do the growing. I might have a fire here, guys. This is not very
Good job we had the door open, it blows all the smoke into the house.
My God. These ones are.
That stinks.
These are the ones that grow into snakes. Woo! Stinky.
Do you want to do a couple with the lights off?
I don't know, but I think I'll go for the middle of the tray next time.
We've got to get close to the action.
Okay, not too close. Right, let's go on the next one. Okay, round 2. We're going to light this one. I've put it in the middle because it expands. Let's go again. With the lights off. Oh, it's growing. Looks like a big turd. What do you think, guys? Comment down below. Snake's alive. Right, it's burnt me tray, guys. Okay, I've got some foil on. Right, next ones are Flash Harry. So these are more flash pellets. Let's see what happens with these ones. Right, okay, let's turn the lights off. This is Flash, not Gordon, Flash Harry. How's it going? Clear. Okay. Do anything? Oh, just more fire. What's this one? Flash Harry. Oh, do I see a hint of colour? Right, let's do one more, guys. One more, ready for the big reveal. Okay, lights, camera, lights. I think the flame torch has got more action.
Harry's very disappointed.
Wow, guys, wow. Just wow. On to the next one. And next, we've got Disco. Disco Inferno. Disco, does that mean it's going to be lots of different colours? It's going to be wild, guys.
It's going to be loud music and everything.
Okay, let's get these going. Right, guys, we're doing a double tablet here. We're spoiling ya. We are spoiling ya. Right, ready. Lights.
Yay!
My goodness. Guys, this is a good show, right? Right, on to the next one. Right, next, guys, we're doing the Blazing Bengals. These look like 4 big matches. I've got candle. We took the wick out of, and we're going to stab them in here. And, yeah, see what happens. Well, this might be a bit more spectacular, we reckon. What do we reckon? Right down below. Crap. All good. Lights, please. Oh.
Should have been closer.
Oh, the good thing is it smells like a lovely burning match, and there's no better smell. Oh, wow, that was a good one, guys. God.
I think they were just storm matches.
What? Just big matches?
Yeah.
Tricking us, guys. They're tricking us. Okay, so next we're going to do the ice fountains. Let's see if they're any better than the big matches. Right, we are set up. Are we ready? Lights. Whoa. That's a bit better. Oh.
Was a bit better.
Oh my god. Sparkle, sparkle. Indoor sparklers.
Like normal sparklers, but shit.
Sparklers ready. Can't even see them. This one don't even want a goddamn light. There we go. Woo!
Quick, stick in a bucket of water.
Right, last, well not last, but this one for now is Bang Bang Fun Snaps. So these are little bang ones. I'm going to do a few of them, but not loads, just in case the doggies don't like them.
Milo, quiet.
We haven't even started yet. These are what they look like. Woo! Oh, these are fun. These are satisfying. One more. Maybe turn it light. Are you ready? Oh. That'll do. That'll do. Where did it go? Right, guys, we're doing you a spectacular indoor firework finale. That was not it. We've got everything. We saved one of everything, a couple of some of them, and we're going to let them all off at the same time. And I don't know if you're ready for this. I don't know if you're ready, guys. Let's see. The end of the show. Okay, let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get everything lit. About set fire to myself. Whoa, guys, spoiling you now.
You missed the snake.
Where is he?
In the middle of the candle.
Here he is. He's growing.
Yay.
See if we can get that one to go anymore. What we did last time.
No, let's just put it in the packet.
Well, I'm afraid that's it, guys. Our firework display, our indoor firework bonanza pack display is done. We're done. They were crap, guys. Let's be honest. They weren't very good. I was not very impressed, if I'm honest. I guess maybe, obviously they're for kids, but I guess maybe for kids, little kids, the little lights and the flashes obviously might be a whoo moment. So yeah, I guess they're good for kids, but as an adult, I'm used to firework displays, so these definitely do not compare. Yeah, they were. I don't have very many good things to say about these, to be honest. On the back, it says light pellets on a heat-resistant, non-flammable surface. Do not use best china plate, as pellets may stain. An old, unwanted plate is ideal, or a metal baking tray that I used. I put foil on because I didn't want it to burn me baking tray. Yeah, use long matches or suitable form of ignition for lighting fireworks. Now, as you've seen, some of them are quite hard to light with the blowtorch, so I doubt a lighter or a cooker lighter, one of them ones that you press, would be sufficient really. I think you'd be there a long time. They seem to take a lot to ignite some of them. But what did I expect? I think these were $8.99. I want to say they were less than a tenner. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description if you want to purchase a box, or you know, never say never. You might want a box, but like I said, they're probably good for younger kids, but they didn't impress me much. I'm afraid they did not impress me much. I think my favourite one was probably the indoor sparkler. You can't go wrong with a sparkler. And the Bang Bang Fun Snaps, they were pretty fun as well, but we didn't obviously start the, luckily we didn't set the dogs off, so that was good. We just did a few of them. Yeah, would I buy them again? No, I would not buy them again. I would not buy indoor fireworks again, to be fair. There wasn't much, I didn't like that there wasn't very much variation. I know they're, you know, less than a tenner, but there wasn't much variation. They were pretty much all the them flash pellets. They were pretty much samey, apart from the snake, which expanded. So be careful if you're doing that one. Put it in the middle of something, because I could have nearly had a fire and it fell off the tray. Yeah, that's as good as we get for this fireworks night. Like I said, we're in lockdown now, so we won't be going anywhere, and we don't go anywhere anyway because of the animals. So unfortunately, that is as good as it gets for us at this current time in life. Don't forget to join me at 7 PM every Friday for new videos, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, because a lot of you are watching and you're not clicking that subscribe button, guys, and it takes 2 minutes. Just little click, 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 and then you're subscribed. It helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday at 7 PM